Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels, where passion meets performance, and where we dive deep into the machines that define motorcycling culture. Today, we're going full throttle into the raw, muscular world of American power cruising as we bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, the reborn legend that's rewriting the rules of what a modern muscle cruiser should be. Harley-Davidson has resurrected the iconic V-Rod name for 2025, and trust me, this is not just a bike, it's a statement of power, attitude, and cutting-edge engineering wrapped in pure American metal. Let's kick off with what makes this new V-Rod so special. Harley-Davidson has taken the essence of the original V-Rod aggressive styling, drag strip DNA, and that unmistakable muscular silhouette and evolved it into something thoroughly modern yet deeply rooted in heritage. The 2025 V-Rod is built around a new generation Revolution Max 1,350 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, liquid-cooled and bristling with advanced tech. This powerhouse delivers a jaw-dropping 160 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 135 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM, offering ferocious acceleration while maintaining a broad, usable torque band. It's an engine that snarls at idle and roars under throttle, delivering spine-tingling performance whether you're blasting down a highway or carving through city streets. Performance-wise, Harley has gone all out to make the new V-Rod not just fast in a straight line but remarkably composed through corners. The bike features a lightweight hydroformed steel frame combined with aluminum subframe components, reducing weight while enhancing rigidity. At just under 255 kilograms dry, it's impressively manageable for a bike with this much muscle. The suspension setup includes fully adjustable 43mm inverted front forks and a dual-shock rear with piggyback reservoirs, allowing riders to fine-tune handling for spirited rides or long-haul comfort. Brembo twin 320mm front discs with radial mount calipers provide razor-sharp stopping power, and a suite of electronic rider aids, including lean-sensitive ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cornering drag torque control, keeps the massive power under control while enhancing rider confidence. One of the standout features of the 2025 V-Rod is its ergonomics. Harley has managed to strike a balance between an aggressive, low-slung riding position and real-world comfort. The forward controls, slightly raised drag bars, and sculpted seat work together to create an ergonomic triangle that feels natural even over long distances. The seat height is a manageable 705mm, making it accessible for a wide range of riders while keeping the center of gravity low for stability. The wide rear tire, a massive 240 section, anchors the bike visually and physically to the asphalt, delivering tons of grip and that unmistakable muscular stance that made the original V-Rod an icon. Speaking of stance, let's talk about the design. The 2025 V-Rod is nothing short of breathtaking. Harley-Davidson has given it a sleeker, more modern silhouette while preserving the essence of the original drag-inspired look. The teardrop fuel tank now flows seamlessly into the muscular rear haunches, and the frame-integrated LED headlight gives it a futuristic yet unmistakably Harley face. The air scoops and radiator shrouds are sculpted to emphasize the bike's power plant, almost like exposed muscle fibers on a racehorse. There's a perfect blend of polished metal, matte finishes, and subtle chrome highlights that scream premium craftsmanship. From the deep gloss paint options like gunmetal black, inferno red, and liquid silver to the minimalist tail section with flush-mounted LED turn signals, every angle of this bike looks like it was designed to make jaws drop. Even the exhaust system is a work of art. A short, twin-pipe setup that exits just under the rider's right leg, tuned to produce a guttural bark that crescendos into a feral roar at full throttle. Technology is another area where the 2025 V-Rod sets new standards for Harley muscle bikes. It features a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display with customizable layouts, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and integrated ride modes. Riders can choose between sport, road, rain, and custom modes, each adjusting throttle response, traction control sensitivity, and ABS behavior. There's also a keyless ignition system, cruise control, and a tire pressure monitoring system, making it as practical as it is thrilling. Harley has embraced the digital age while staying true to the analog soul of the V-Rod, giving riders the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about what it's like to ride this beast. Twist the throttle, and the Revolution Max engine comes alive with a deep, menacing growl that hints at the fury within. Acceleration is instantaneous, the bike surging forward with relentless force yet remaining remarkably stable. The chassis feels planted, the suspension soaks up bumps with confidence, and the brakes haul the bike down from triple-digit speeds without drama. Through sweeping corners, the V-Rod feels surprisingly agile for a muscle cruiser, thanks to its refined geometry and centralized mass. The wide rear tire demands deliberate countersteering, but once you find the rhythm, it's an exhilarating experience. Power cruiser meets sport bike. And yet, despite its aggressive nature, the V-Rod is perfectly content cruising at low revs on the highway, the engine purring smoothly while you soak in the scenery. It's a bike that can do savage sprints or laid-back weekend rides with equal poise. Another key highlight is the attention to rider customization. Harley knows V-Rod owners love to personalize their machines, and they've made the 2025 model more mod-friendly than ever. The bike is designed around a modular accessory system, allowing quick swaps of handlebars, foot controls, seats, and even body panels. Harley's genuine parts and accessories catalog is stacked with performance exhausts, luggage options, billet trim pieces, and more, enabling riders to make their V-Rod uniquely theirs without voiding the warranty or compromising performance. Of course, a bike this bold comes with a price tag to match. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod starts at around $22,999 for the base trim, with premium color options and performance packages pushing it closer to $25,000. While that's a serious investment, what you're getting is a one-of-a-kind machine, a blend of heritage and innovation, muscle and sophistication, that few other bikes can match. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a rolling piece of art and a visceral experience that hits all the senses. In terms of competition, the V-Rod stands in a class of its own. While bikes like the Ducati Diavel V4 and Triumph Rocket 3 may offer similar power figures, none carry the same aura of raw American muscle fused with modern sophistication. The V-Rod's unique combination of aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and Harley soul makes it stand apart in a sea of muscle cruisers. It's a bike that doesn't just demand attention, it owns the road the moment it appears in your mirrors. So, who is this bike for? The 2025 V-Rod is for riders who crave unfiltered power, striking style, and modern tech without compromising on comfort. It's for those who want to feel a deep, mechanical connection to their machine while enjoying the convenience of advanced electronics. It's for the bold, the rebellious, and the passionate. It's not a beginner's bike, nor is it meant for riders who prefer subtlety. The V-Rod is about making an entrance and an unforgettable exit. As we wrap up this deep dive into the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, one thing is clear: Harley has not just revived a legend, they've redefined it for a new generation. This is a bike that honors its roots while blazing a bold path into the future. It's more powerful, more agile, more technologically advanced, and more visually arresting than ever before. The V-Rod is back, and it's here to reclaim its throne as the king of muscle cruisers. Thanks for joining us here on Bike Culture Hub for this full throttle review. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting motorcycles, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride with us. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you throw a leg over the new V-Rod, and what color would you choose? Until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and keep the culture alive.